Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the, not really new anymore because I waited forever on this, tractor racers. Now, like I said before, these are one of my these are my new favorite diecasts because they take the spin of tractors, which are basically animals, and they make them into basically racers from the movie Cars, from Cars 3. They're a whole little series, and on the back, you see a picture of all the tractor racers. You see Rev-n-go right there. Sputter Stop, Tanko Pink. I want to say, it's either, whatchamacallit, Chipodent Gum, or, I don't even know. And I think the one that way back is Nitrowade, but I'm not sure. You see Rev-n-go Racing Tractor, and then Shiny Wax Racing Tractor, which is a lot of money on Amazon. So, will I ever get it? Probably not. Well, now we got that, let's go straight into the unboxing. So now as I'm starting this review, I first want to say how easily these things come out. Because normally with normal other cars, if I have one of the plastic things, which I do not, because I throw them out like a good person. I also recycle, save the planet. But these ones, they come out extremely easily. Like, there's nothing at the bottom, it's just, it's out, which is pretty cool. Also something to add, what the heck is up with that mouth? I didn't realize that. It's kind of funny, because, like, I got my normal tractor right here, which is kind of chipped, but, like, the normal mouth is closed. This one's freaking smiling. It's kind of creepy. On the side, you see the engine. It's colored in. It's got black. It's got the next gen, like, little triangle for some reason. Why was the camera? Once the camera loads, you will see this. Yeah, Rev-n-go. It's got, like, the sponsors. It's got the grill in the front. You can see the light year on the big tractors. It kind of reminds me of like a John Deere tractor. The side, you see that the windows are outlined. The top has the 73 on the back. The heck is with this? They're no longer rookies. Well, actually, some of them may be rookies because they may have never. Get rid of the last statement. Some of them may be rookies. Bottom, you see like where the oil would be, like the oil where they would be. Hey, these are like the same type of screws that hold Beyblades together. That's weird. The bottom's also not metal, like on most of the tractors. But I also like how much detail they put into that. Like they added the let's do a little load on that. You know what? Just come on. They added like the little decal from going into like the silver to the blue at the top. The eyes though, just that creepy smile. What the heck? Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, or this next gen tractor will haunt your dreams. It's already haunting mine. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and as always, I'm the Fabulous 95, and I'll see you guys.